Hi guys, welcome to Airstream DFW. This is Mikayla Evans. Happy fall finally. It's here. We're hoping for some cooler weather here in the DFW Metroplex. But I'm here, I'm so excited. We're finally seeing these 2026s start to show up and I'm getting more in stock. So today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Interstate 19 GT. You guys don't get confused about this GT. Before it was a 19, now it's a 19 GT. The layout really hasn't changed that much, but we do have some new power features and I cannot wait to show you that and some options to really meet your camping and driving needs. These Sprinter vans are really getting the chance now to have a little more time to go off grid, to use all of your appliances without having to worry about power. So excited to show you that. We also have a new interior. So this one that I'm in front of is a Tommy Bahama. So it's really beautiful, you guys. That Tommy Bahama has such a reputation of feeling so luxurious. And this new upgrade for 2026 is no different. It looks so beautiful. So come on, let me show you the inside. So we're on the patio side here. You can see above me, there's a power awning. So with the touch of a button, this awning is gonna come out. It's a beautiful Sunbrella fabric that really matches that Tommy Bahama theme. And then here you can see we've got this super easy power door. And then right below it is going to be a power step. You can lock this step on and off. So if you guys are coming in and out of the van, put that lock on for this step and it will stay out like this. And then underneath the step, you can see the entire length of the van runs these beautiful carriage lights. So looks so nice at the campsite when you've got these carriage lights on, your awnings out, your LED awning light is there. It has a dimmer. So we get this nice ambiance out here on your patio side. So come inside, check out this interior with me. Right at the door, we've got a nice screen door so you can keep the bugs out here, easy to open and close. And then also this pass through. And we'll talk a little bit more about how we should use like a 19 foot versus a 24 foot. But this 19 foot is really great for tailgating, right? So it's so fun to have this little pass through to pass drinks and food to our friends as they're sitting out on this patio side watching the game. So come inside, check it out with me. Okay, so I'm standing inside the bathroom. You guys, this Tommy Bahama actually comes with a teak mat. That teak mat is really great at absorbing moisture, and because this is a wet, dry bath and you're using the restroom in the same place you're taking a shower, that teak mat comes in so handy to absorb that extra moisture. Now, I will say that teak mat, I don't know the exact measurement, but it does like step up a little bit. So you can see I'm 5'4". There's not much room in here once you get in it. This bathroom in a 19 foot it's small, you guys, but this is really meant to be like a day tripper type of van, right? You guys that have kids that are doing sports and competitions, you have a place to go to the bathroom, you have a place to rinse off, and it's easy to use. So you have a nice little shower curtain here and a towel rack, and then this teak mat that comes with this Tommy Bahama package. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen now. You're going to have a small little setup here. Nice big faucet though, right? You actually get a wood cutting board with this Tommy Bahama. I'm missing it for some reason, but I will make sure you get it. And on any that you order, we'll have a wood cutting board here that has that Tommy Bahama kind of vibe. But this sink, it's so nice. I mean, you have so much room to put a bucket underneath it or be able to wash a few clothes here if you needed to do that. So really pretty faucet here. And then of course we're doing an induction stove, you guys, and that's because we're running off power, lithium power here. So, and we'll talk about that. I'll go over everything that lithium power package has on this. It's called an advanced power package. So we'll go over that, but you're gonna get this induction stove. I swear this is like the #1 question I've had asked this year. When's Airstream gonna start getting more into induction stoves? Well, you've got it. Here's your induction stove. So just like on any other Airstreams, we've got some really nice storage here. You've got your utensil drawer. And then down underneath, like a nice sized cabinet that's gonna open up for some storage here as well. Like I said, this is 19 foot, you guys. We don't have a ton of room. This is this fits in a parking spot, a regular parking spot. So to be able to get this nice sized kitchen and a refrigerator and a pantry into this small space, I mean, come on, it's really great. So down here, you've got this nice pantry space. It pulls out snacks, chips, whatever you need, some loaf of bread, make sandwiches for lunch, stored right there. And then up here, you've got a really nice sized refrigerator too, with a little bit of a freezer for at least some ice cubes and things like that. Then right behind the fridge, we also have a hanging closet. There's shelves in here, but you also have a bar to hang up some shirts or dry cleaning or uniforms, whatever you need to do there. There's, on this galley area, there's also a pull-out extra counter space here that you can really use if nobody is sitting in this back space. Now, back here, you've got a nice TV that adjusts. This is a high def TV. It's a smart TV. It's 24 inches. So you can see it kind of comes out on onto the walking space just a little bit, but it actually releases and you can tilt this out of your way as people are moving around this back section. Now, a 19-foot is going to seat 5. You've got 5 seat belts, so the 2 captain's chairs in the back, 3 back here, comfortably. Down at the bottom of the seat is a place to set up a table. So if you needed a place for drinks, you've got some cup holders on both sides, but you could actually sit back here and eat as well with that little table that sets up. This entire area is going to turn into a bed. So it measures like a queen size bed. And then you have some storage overhead to put some extra things like dishes or anything like that you need. This system is electric, like I've mentioned, so you're gonna have a Truma system for your water and for your heating when you're out cold camping or out watching those football games like we said. Then you also have a microwave here. No problem running the microwave. This does have a 3,000 watt inverter on it, so you can easily run that microwave. So I want to talk a little more about this Power Plus package. Let's go to the back so y'all can kind of see where that's located and check that out now. Okay, so I'm standing in the rear of the Interstate 19 and you can see you've got a pretty big doors. These doors will actually open all the way up. And so you can have this nice big room here. You've got storage on each back door. There's a place for your water to do your outdoor shower. So some storage here. You have a rear camera. Now this camera will let you see behind you the whole time you're driving, so you can always see who's coming up on behind you and stay really safe that way. And then of course this black that's going across, if you've never seen this before, this is a screen and it's a powered screen, so you'll touch that multiplex system, screen will come down, and there's also a blackout shade there. So if you are using this to camp overnight, you can put down that blackout shade and get some nice privacy here in the back. Now, below this, you'll see this is the back of the seat, you guys. Let me put this over so you can see. Okay, so this is the back of the seat. This entire part is what the power bed is going to lay down. And then underneath here, this is actually where your batteries and your inverter are located. So what we're talking about here is 250 watts of solar power, right? With some additional hookups if you wanted to do more solar. And then over 10 kilowatt amp hours of lithium power. And this is a battle-born system, you guys. So you've got a little more room down here. This can act as storage. So with the amount of lithium batteries that are here, you're talking about running a 30 amp service, but for how long, right? A little day trip, taking those kids to soccer games and things like that. But if you want to push the limits and you want to go camping for longer, you might want to look into the Advanced Power Plus package. That's new for Airstream this year. I will post a link to the full details about it so y'all can read through everything that offers. But that's going to be a dealer ad, you guys. We're putting in even more lithium batteries for you back here to push the limits of that lithium power even more. So no generator on board, no gas, propane, diesel, nothing to mess with here. We are solely powering everything off of solar and lithium. So look into that Power Plus package, call me. I can go in more depth with you about it. But this is completely new. It's a great system. Battleborn is such a trusted company to work with. Their customer service is amazing. Their warranty is amazing. And so we are so excited to have this new Battleborn system here. So look into it. It's coming from everything I have that's 2026 that's coming in on a 19-foot has the advanced power package. If you jump up to a 24-foot, and we'll go through that in the next week or so, it's coming with the advanced Power Plus package. So you kind of have some things to think about there and how you're going to be using it. But of course, you can call us with any questions. We'll walk you through it. Super easy. And then last thing, just like any other Interstate, this is going to tow up to 4,300 pounds. So a little small car or a little clamshell storage, if you want to bring a grill with you or any extra storage here on the outside, you can have a little bit of a tow. So we're super, super excited about this new 2026 and all the power options here. So follow us below if you haven't, if you want to see that 24-foot and an Atlas. These 2026s are all coming with these new power packages on them. So super excited to show you guys that. And make sure that you're following also, because we have a fun event coming up in November. Check out some of our other videos and our Facebook page for more details about that. All my DFW folks, we'll hope to see you there. And leave me any comments if you have questions about it. I really try to look at all these comments and answer y'all's questions. If not, call me in the store, come visit us in the store, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much, bye.